G'day YouTubers. Sorry I haven't seen you for a while, been busy. Slow process with this renovation work, but we're getting there. Anyway, I thought I'd give you a quick update just before Christmas and then explain what we're doing over Christmas and then what you can expect in the new year. All right, this is the home theatre, lounge, media room, I guess you'd say. And where we're at is, I think the last update I'd already sheeted. Well, I've now done all the sand, done all of the mudding and taping. It's just a little bit of sanding to do, one little bit of mudding to do up here, and then it's basically sanding, and we're ready for paint. And as you can see, we've got new LED downlights. They're hanging out at the moment, ready for ceiling paint. And what else? Still got to rehang the doors. I've got to cut them down a little bit more. I'm going to rehang them so that they open inwards, and I've still got to do the base plate of the door jamb, new door jamb, because the old one was completely rotted, as you would have seen. Then it's flooring and a special wall treatment up on this wall. TV goes up here, and I've also built a media cabinet. So I'll put some pictures of that here.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
We also have painted a barn door, sliding door. That gives you an idea of the colours. And of course that's going to go over here in between this room and the kitchen. Very exciting. And special exciting bit that I'm going to show you. I'm going to keep that a bit of a secret until I'm ready to show you the finished product, and then you'll see what's going on in there. Rightio, we are packed up and ready to go. We're going to have a bit of a holiday on Bruny Island, and I'll put some footage of Bruny Island. Got the van all packed up and ready to go, cleaned. I've still got to wash the truck yet, but there is some weather coming, so I don't know whether I'll do that. And those of you that have seen the van before, this is our full off-road design RV striker.